how to change Gmail password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Gmail password. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser, head over to your Gmail account, go to the gear icon in the top right, and then tap on See All Settings. From there, you will need to head over to Accounts and Import. There, tap on Change Password. So it will open up a new tab. You need to use your passkey to confirm that it's you. And once you have confirmed your passkey, you will be able to change your password. So you'll need to enter your current password and then put in the new password, and then that's it. Just choose a strong password with at least 8 characters and make sure that it has symbols, capital letters, numbers, and change the password. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.